In Oracle Integration Cloud (OIC), the callback functionality is used to enable asynchronous communication between systems. This is particularly useful when dealing with long-running processes or operations that need to notify the initiating system of their completion status. Key concepts of callback functionality in OIC. Asynchronous communication. In a typical integration scenario, a request-response pattern is synchronous. However, when an operation takes a long time to complete, e.g., processing large datasets or waiting for external approvals, a callback mechanism is used. With a callback, the initiating system does not need to wait for the process to complete. Instead, the external system sends a notification, callback, when the operation is finished. Callback URL. OIC generates a unique callback URL when you configure an integration to support callbacks. This URL is shared with the external system or service that needs to send the response back to OIC. Integration patterns supporting callbacks. Orchestrated integrations. A process flow within OIC where the integration waits for a callback from an external system to resume or complete its execution. Asynchronous APIs. When an external system invokes OIC using a callback URL, OIC processes the response asynchronously. Steps to configure a callback. Create an integration. Design the integration to accept callback responses, typically in an orchestrated integration flow. Generate a callback URL. In the integration, a dynamic callback URL is created based on the unique instance of the integration. Pass the callback URL. During the outbound request to the external system, include the callback URL so the system knows where to send the response. Handle the callback response. Define the logic in the integration to process the response received via the callback URL. Example use case. A system A, sends a request to OIC for data processing, and OIC invokes a third-party service, System B, to handle a long-running task. OIC includes a callback URL in its request to System B. Once System B completes the task, it sends the result or status update to the callback URL provided. OIC resumes processing and either responds to System A or performs further actions. Advantages.